This is Hilux 2.8, and we received this car in the case of temperature sensor. The ambient temperature sensor was showing the reading uh, 11 degrees centigrade, and the actual temperature was 28 to 30 degrees centigrade. So what we did, we checked the vehicle, but while putting some kind of vibration on that area, it is the temperature over there is changing, so that we found that there is some kind of losing. And now we fix the temperature connector. Now you can see temperature sensor is now showing 28 degree. Before it is showing 11 degree, and the losing we found on that connector. Furthermore, we have checked the ambient temperature also, which has been placed over that area. Ambient temperature and its connection was found normal. So after the removal of the dashboard, and after the removal of dashboard, we can say something about the losing or misconnection on the connector, which is connection from ambient temperature to that area, and it's going to the cluster panel also. Now again it's showing 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you very much.